Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we are going to be looking at a set of EDC tweezers. These are made right here in the good old US of A in Avon, Connecticut. They are really cheap too. For a single one like this on Amazon, it costs about $7, and if you get a double pack of these, it's about $10.50, somewhere in that neighborhood. So really good price on these little tweezers. Now this is a brand new one, but underneath I have one that we have out we're going to take a look at. What I like about these is that the way they incorporate the little keychain loop here. So this will just sit on your keychain. And actually, before we do that, let's weigh these. I've never weighed these. These weigh virtually nothing. So let's see where we're at here. We are in ounces. We'll set that on there. 0.17. Very lightweight, or 6 grams. So virtually nothing in weight. The little keychain loop will sit on your keychain, and these are held in by the tension of the tweezers themselves. So you just pinch them together and you can pull them right out of there, and then you have your tweezers available. They come down to a very nice point. They're not as sharp as the ones that I carry. I carry the Tweez 2, but these are a very good set of EDC tweezers, and they come down to a pretty nice point there. You'll also notice that they've got a little bit of grooving in the tweezers on the interior here, just slightly, that allows you just a touch more grip. So they are really good little lightweight EDC tweezers to have on your keychain. Again, weigh virtually nothing, and the way they slip back in there, they have a little notch that's in that keychain holder. You just push them in and it engages with the hole there, and so now they are really secure. They do not pop off. These are the Uncle Bill's Sliver Grippers. Very cheap and very useful. Again, I'll leave Amazon links below in the description box if you want to check those out. I appreciate every purchase that you make through Amazon, my Amazon links, because I get a little bit of a commission back for every purchase that you make, and it really helps out the channel. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.